Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable your manual captioning on your Zoom application. To enable your manual captioning, firstly, open your Google search. Type in Zoom Web Portal and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, enter your email address and password associated with your Zoom account and then click on Sign In. Scroll down and tap on Settings option. Now, to enable your manual captioning, scroll all the way down to Manual Caption and turn it on. This is how you can enable your manual captioning on your Zoom application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.